Pakistan?
What was your thoughts on Pakistan before coming, and now what are your thoughts?
Okay. So the thoughts about Pakistan were that it was a little bit dangerous, that there were a lot of bad people, and that women's movements were really restricted, that we could not show ourselves. But now we have a bit of different vision because we heard from the women, from their lifestyle, the life choices and how they live and the way they live, and we understand better as well.
What's your message to those people who not come here?
Well, you should definitely come. And I think this is true for any country anyway. We are all people, we are all belonging to the same planet, and we should not be so biased by the media. The political and what's happening above us is different from the people on the ground. So, you need to come and meet the people of Pakistan.
Okay, thank you.